Very good morning. Yeah, I'm doing great and thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine today.
Yeah. Okay. So as we have met second time, so I don't think so that we have need for long introduction. You can just tell your name and about yourself. That's it, and we can continue.
Okay. As you know, my name is Pinky and I hail from Punjab. I have done my master's in Hindi honors. I am homemaker and as well as I'm part-time working as a beautician. And apart from that, I am running a YouTube channel where I upload English conversational videos. So that's all about me.
So nice to hear from you, Pinky. So as you know, my name is Varsha, and I'm also a learner. And I have also started my YouTube channel, and I'm uploading the videos. And now I'm uploading the videos about the like how we can start or how we can embark our learning journey of English, because it is little bit difficult for all the people, and I can say that this is a daunting task for most of the people who wants to learn English. So I just
Mm.
wanted to know about you, that how did you start and when did you start. So there will be it should be, I can say that uh, like procrastination. This is the word that we can use while we are learning any skill, anything. So yeah, you can discuss your experience with me or with my co-learners so we can continue.
Okay. So I want to talk about like when I started my journey, it's been 2 years, you can say. But that time I was not that much serious, okay? I heard somewhere and I thought, okay, I have to learn English. But at that time I didn't get right path, okay? So you can say side by side, sometime, very rare, I watch short videos, okay? Because at that time I was not able to understand any single like not much English, okay? Even I didn't know about the word of get well soon, okay? So when it's been 6 months, I have been consistent towards English now. So daily uh, more than 1 hour I listen, and as well as I'm a reading. And actually I was not into books, okay? I'm not bookworm person, but because I chose my interesting genre, like I love romantic things, romantic movies or romantic stories. So I thought, okay, a romantic serial as well. So I chose, okay, I can read romantic. So that's how people can learn English. Like that's how people can start their journey. Started if they start reading. Okay, and initially I was not able to understand all things, but now I am reading my fifth one book, and it is also romantic, and I am able to understand all things. Like after second, you can say second or third book, I can understand. Like first one also, but I was not that much good at understanding. But I come across with a lot of words. Now I know about those words meaning. So sometime when I get chance, I use those words. So that's how I am doing it. And when I started my journey, it's been 2 years. But at that time, I I was very confused where to start, how to start. So someone suggested me, like I was very social person. At that time, I used to pass my time here and there to talking to people in Hindi actually. Okay. And some of them who suggested me, I just randomly share with him, okay, I want to improve my English. And that person suggested me, you should start listening, you should start watching movies. And I thought, okay, it is quite boring for me because I don't like Hollywood actor or actress faces. There when we see any Indian serial or movie, there's a lot of tunes are going on in background. So we are kind of habitual for these things. If you talk about like Hollywood movies, there is no tunes, just English words, without, I guess, without much expression, according to me. So it was quite hard for me to watching them, but I made my mind, okay, I have to learn anyhow, so I should start. Then I started watching, and I watched two two web series, and one movie, three part three part of movie, and I couldn't able to understand one single word of those part of movies and web series, and I quit it. And I thought, okay, I can't do it. I don't want to do it again. As well as side by side, like if some, as I told you, someone suggested me you should start listening. Then I start listening conversation videos. Even, I had very pathetic condition. Okay, because when I started listening, at that time I got stressed, because even 10-minute videos or 15-minute videos, after watching those videos, I got very bad headache. Okay, even that much bad headache, I had to take medicine for it. So that was my condition at that time. But time by time, I'm habitual for these type of things, and now I'm here. You can see I'm not that much good, but I'm trying my best. And when you are going to do something new, then you have to set your mind, okay, it will take time. It will not happen in one night or one day. You have to keep patience in yourself, okay. And after that, after understanding this thing, you can do it. Because if you are going to do anything, any learning skill or teaching or parlor work or anything, you have to keep patience, because it takes time. And when you start getting result, you feel awesome, you feel happy,
Yeah.
and you can uh, get capability to share your knowledge with others as well, so which makes you happy. But you have to keep patience, okay, for your
Patience
future.
and consistency is must, because that's why I was asking the question this, because initial stage it is little bit daunting task for us, that okay, and painful, that every day I have to speak, every day I have to listen. And the thing is that grammar, so according to you, like we can say that grammar, yeah, we have to learn grammar, but this is the second part. Firstly, I have to start with small sentences that we can just listen and we can speak. So this way we can learn, as at least starting, like if you can start with the introduction, you have to mug up your introduction, and when you will be accustomed for speaking your introduction, so it will be good for you. And next step should be small sentences, that daily routine. And after that, when you think, or you after that, you can consider as a grammar
Hmm.
as well. If you will start with the grammar, so you will get stuck, definitely you will get stuck, that okay, I'm a little bit bored, I don't want to do this, and all the things. So this is the thing that we can do, like we can listen properly. And I every my video, I'm just sharing with my co-learner, that start watching Sunshine English. Their series, you told me that you love
Yeah.
to watch romantic series, so there are always romantic series, and there are phrasal verbs that you can use in your communication skills. In this way you can improve your skill.
Whatever you mentioned, ma'am, I used to watch that series as well. But I was not able to understand. Even though they use very easy language, but I was not able to understand.
Okay, okay, so that was the superb conversation with you, Pinky, and I love to connect with you again, and I would like to know about your second step, that how did you improve yourself day by day. And I can see the like I can say that a lot of improvement in your communication skill, that I have watched your last video. It was superb, superb. You didn't use any filler there, so I was uh, feeling good that okay, last month I have created video with you, and now you are creating videos with the tutors, and you are speaking so well. So that was the good thing for me as well. So definitely we'll meet again, and nice to talk to you, and bye bye, take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.